there's a lot of background noise because Ara is super busy in two different screens. Your mama's vlog now?
Yeah.
I was telling Ara is busy in two different screens. Yeah? Say good morning. Say good morning, vloggy vlog. Vloggy vlog. Good morning, vloggy vlog.
Good morning.
Vloggy.
Mama, bye bye.
Why bye bye? Why bye bye? Why bye bye? No. Good morning. But you are busy in two different screens. You're watching a movie and you're watching a cartoon show as well together. How can you focus in two different screens at once? Can you tell your secret to Mama?
Yeah.
What is your secret? What is your secret? How can you focus in two different screens at once? How? Tell me. Mama also want to learn this trick. Yeah, so I can work in two different laptops together. Ah. So what do? When any specific music plays, you pause another screen, right? That's what you're doing. That's what she's doing. Strawberry?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You love? You love them? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So what is it? Your post breakfast snack? Is this a post breakfast snack? Really?
Sabi.
Strawberry.
Sabi.
Bite. Bite. Let's go. Let's go. You'll have a bite. Yeah, take a bite. Mama's going to get busy now. Okay. Great. Good job. You want a towel? You want one towel? Okay, Mama is giving you one towel. Come. Come. You want this one? Okay, take it. Let's go. Time to work out a little bit. It's been some time. I haven't hit gym, so today I will start with a little bit of cardio. Yeah, no stretching. Let's start. What am I waiting for? 12 incline and speed 3. Black ninja. We both are black ninja and dies with a white and black. Yippee doopie. Let's go. Easy. Oopsie. Let's go. Abby, let's go. Come follow Mama. Come follow Mama. Baby, let's get inside. Hello, vloggy vlog. What's happening? Arya, what? What's the update so far? Where are you? Try. Look at Mama. Try. So, where are we right now? Where's Dada? Where are we? We have come for something which I cannot tell you right now, but yes, it's actually Arya's nap time, but we are still out and we are looking for few things, juggling around. So yeah, Ajay is quickly finishing up our meeting. We are waiting here. Yeah, and Arya is behaving well. She is touching everywhere. Everywhere. Yes, yes, yes. Take control of everything, Arya. You can do that. Yeah. So yeah, it's been some time. I haven't vlogged. Yes, I clicked a little. Yeah, it was a very short clip while working out. I did that. After that, yeah, we prepared lunch. We had our lunch. We finished few calls, work, meetings, and now we are out for some other chores. And soon we will head back and there's few calls lined up, few people coming to meet, and I have another call around 4 o'clock, and then again we have to step out for something. So that's our day look like. Why are you getting excited? What? Wondering who Mama talking? Yeah. Yeah. So that's that's my day look like, and it's pretty jam packed today. And of course, tomorrow is my birthday. I'm recording this on 29th December. 30th December is Mama's birthday. Will you sing a song for me? Happy birthday. The song? Are you going to sing this song with JJ? JJ from Coco Melon? Are you going to sing this song with Mama? Ah, you can ask JJ also to join. Tomorrow's Mama's birthday. Do you have any gift planned for Mama? What? What is the gift? You gifting anything? What are you planning to give Mama? A big hug and a cute kissing? That's okay. Mama is happy with that. Yeah, so yes, I do have to order cake. I do have to order cake. I completely forgot. So let me end this mini clip. Mini. Yeah, she was so excited. So I'm ending this here because I just remember I do have to order cake. So I'm just going to place that order right now. Yes. Say bye bye, vloggy vlog. Bye bye, vloggy vlog. Say no bye bye. No bye bye. Say bye bye, vloggy vlog. See ya. Say see you soon. See you soon. Yeah. Hello. Cutie Patootie is up. How was your nap? So Ara just got up from her nap and she caught me. She caught me working. Yes, and now she's super into my laptop. She will finish half of my work. It seems like she will finish all of my work. Do you want to work with Mama? It's very challenging. Do you want to work with Mama Dada? You want to work with Mama Dada? You can work with Mama, but you cannot work with Dada. Dada got very high standard of working. If you won't finish your task on time, you won't, what are you doing? Yeah, so Mama was saying Dada got a very high standard of working. If you want to work with Dada, then you have to be focused, 1000%. 1000% focused person. You have to become that person, who is 1000% focused. Yeah, you won't be able to do party or you won't be able to do any of the get together during weekend. Just forget about weekend also. Okay, when you work with Dada, there's no concept of having Saturday or Sunday. Yes, you do have to finish your work if it's assigned, no matter whether it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or whatever day it is. Okay, you still want to work with Dada?
Yeah.
How? Really? You turn 5 and Mama will give you an internship. Do you want to do internship with Mama?
Yeah.
What task would you do? What task would you do? Huh? Clearing out my trash. Trash means my laptop. Would you clear out Mama's junk mail? Yeah, you want to do that? Okay,
Yeah.
yippee! We will do that. So Mama will assign you few things to prepare my to-dos. Can you do that? Would you want to be my assistant?
Yeah.
Oh, she just picked up a profession. She's so sorted. I love you. You're such a sorted kid. You know what you want to do in future. When you turn 5, you want to become mama's assistant? You need to have, you should know how to write. See, whenever you get up in the morning, mama will ask you to, let's streamline my to-dos. And you have to do that. Yeah. Mama will tell you, I need to do this today. You will create my to-dos, you will streamline, you will remind me that, Mama, you got a call around 12. Yeah. Would you become that person? Huh? During your summer vacations? Really?
No.
Mama is so happy. Mama is so happy. So I can rely on you, right? You chose Mama over Dada, right? You chose to work with Mama, not Dada? Is that what you want to say? Because Dada got very high standard. Dada got very high standard for working. You won't get any Saturday or Sunday. But if you work with Mama, I promise I will give you 1 day off. Sunday. Okay, we will take a break on Sunday. We won't work on Sunday. So Mama is vlogging right now. Dada is here. So Arya your tea is still there. Need to heat it up. Okay, so Arya just picked up a profession. When she will turn 5, she wanna become my assistant. Yeah, and it's a very important task. Becoming an assistant is a very important task. And she also agreed. She will sort out all of my to-dos and she will remind me whether. What? What? I do have some, standard of working. You cannot do just achu or this or that. What? You're calling someone. Do you want to join my vlog? Just say hi. Later. Okay, Dada said later. We both are wearing black today. And now it's time to.
Ah, it's your baby.
Hey, we are calling Woman Reed. You want to talk to Woman
अर्जेंट
Reed?
है अर्जेंट भाई जल्दी कॉल करना कर पाँच
Just,
अर्जेंट
we will say hi. Just show. Sure. Hi. Big Dada, hi. Reed. Say hello. Okay. Bye bye. They are busy. They are
हाँ
busy.
हाँ
Okay, let's take
I
a short
forgot.
break. Let's take a short break. Dad is clicking a picture. What? Are you clicking a picture? No, he's just checking something. So, what's up? Do you want to take some break now? Break from vlogging?
Yeah.
So, do you want to have some snack? Post-nap snack?
Yeah.
Post-nap snack? Hi, Dada. Thanks for clicking a picture. Just relax, Arya. That's what she does when we click
Cheese.
picture.
Say cheese.
Can you see?
स्माइली
Cheese. Arya said cheese.
स्माइली बच्चा
Thank you, Dada.
Thank you, Dada.
Thank you, Dada. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh. He's just showing the picture quality. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's
ज़्यादा यूज नहीं
good.
करते हैं लेकिन
Say bye-bye.
प्लीज यूज माय फोन आल्सो नाउ
Yeah, I can do that. Let's check the quality in both the phones. Let's check the quality in both the phones. Okay, the quality of picture, videos, and everything. It's time to have some snack now. Okay, we'll get back soon. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. What are you doing? See, that's the stud she's learning. Your stud. Mama saw. Let's get ready for the bed. Yeah. Let's get ready for the bed. Harry? Now it's little late in the evening, around 7:30, post 7:30. I am looking for the remote. Yeah, because I need to switch off this TV. So it's Arya's. Yo. she doing? She will resist so hard not to go to bed. And that's what she does every single day. Mama vlogging. Mama vlogging. What's the update so far? It's bedtime. It's almost bedtime. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. No. More TV? Drive. No more drive. We are enough drive today. So finally it's time. I'll get her ready. Looks like early birthday celebration. Red velvet. This red velvet. Oh my god, I love this. And this is my favorite. Cheesecake. Thank you.